Your dog's sneeze isn't always a thing. In fact, reveal a shocking truth. Yes, sometimes dogs clear dust or pollen, but often they sneeze during playtime. That dramatic sneeze in the middle of fun? Saying, "This is awesome." Sneezing also means something tiny, like a blade of grass. But here's the suspense. If sneezing becomes constant with thick or discharge, it's no. That could be a serious. Visit the vet immediately. Relax. They know. You are their chosen one. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing dog facts.